My name is Melissa LaMunyon, and I'm here today with Joy to talk about our skin, our amazing, mutable, flexible, regenerative skin. So, I'm going to show you how, with the right tools and techniques, you can drastically improve the appearance and the health of your skin. When it comes to skincare, this is an area where our health and our appearance, our beauty, dramatically, visibly connect. Healthy skin is beautiful skin. Healthy skin has plenty of circulation, plenty of movement. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some tools and techniques for your face, neck, and upper chest. This skin is a lot thinner, finer, and more fragile than the thicker skin covering the rest of our bodies. And so the techniques are going to be similar, but we're using a more delicate touch and more gentle tools. So today, in order to demonstrate really dramatic exfoliation and lymphatic massage, I'm using these silicone exfoliating tool, and then I'll also be using silicone massage cups from Lure Home Spa today. Using these cups to create movement within the skin itself and to release tense muscles and adhesions between our skin and our muscles is also going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. You heard me. We're going to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines while making our bodies healthier. These are medical grade silicone, so you can already see a little bit. We're already moving some of her blood and lymph around, and you can see with this little exfoliating pad. And so, like with everything that we do with our bodies, we want to warm up. And so the reason why we're using these silicone cups is because they're incredibly effective at increasing circulation, at creating movement in all of the layers of the skin. However, because they are so effective, because they do have such a powerful, deep reach in the body, it's important that we warm the tissue up. If I just went in and started using these cups on her, it would be like trying to do really intense stretches without warming up. Our skin is made up of many, many complicated, gooey layers. The top layer of our skin requires a lot of movement and flexibility in order to receive oxygen and fresh nutrients. Now that I have applied my oil and opened up the first layer of skin with the exfoliating brush, I'm going to come on to the body with these cups. And so I'm going to show you on Joy's face kind of how we're going to use these cups. So we can, with a little bit of pressure, So what this section is doing is we are pulling on and massaging all of the layers. We're getting deep into the skin, we're getting into the muscle tissue, we're getting into the connective tissue. All right, so we're going to use these cups in a few different ways on the face, throat, and chest. So we're going to start out with a little bit of suction. And so from there, we can move the cups around in circles. We're going to do a lot of straight lines. And so in general, there are 2 rules for massaging the skin, and they kind of contradict each other. You want to move with the lymphatic system, which means we want to move towards the heart. But since we're also looking to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, we want to move up. So this is a sweet little area right here around the collarbones where we can use the suction of the cups to release the attachments between the skin and the collarbone. Another way we can use suction is in little pulses. And this allows us to work with more stubborn, tight areas. The color has changed, we have more blood flow, and as you'll see when we go onto the throat, we'll literally start to see the texture of her skin shift. With any sort of tool, it's good to expect cumulative results. And so that just means that the positive effects of every short little session will build on each other. So it might take a little bit more time, but you will get long-term results after a few weeks of consistent use. And like most powerful tools, you'll see a shift after the first time you use, massage cups or some kind of serious exfoliating agent or tool. All right. So while I work on her sternocleidomastoid with this little baby face cup, I want to tell you a little bit about the oil I'm using. It is vitamin E oil mixed with Joy's Choice of essential oil. And so my reasoning is twofold. One, I need a thick oil that won't be easily absorbed by the skin to maintain this luscious glide we have going on. And so you can use face cream, olive oil, really anything you want to put on your skin, and especially something you want to be absorbed by your skin. Since we're stretching the skin out and we're forcing circulation to increase, the essential oil that I put into Joy's face oil is going to be better absorbed into her body. And so whatever positive effects you're getting from your face cream, you're going to increase their efficacy by using massage cups. All right. So now that we're getting into the jaw and the face. Oh, there we go. That's nice. You know, a lot of people don't realize how much tension they hold in their faces. And they really don't realize how it changes the shape of their face. And so think about it. If your jaw muscle is really tight, it's going to shorten. It's going to pull on your skin and literally change the contours of the flesh around it. Oh, there we go. So before I go over Joy's face and neck again, I want to show you where you don't want to use these cups. So right here, all along the nose and directly around the eye. Now we can get fairly close to the eye using this little delicate cup. And we wouldn't want to use, we really would not want to use this big cup when we get close to the eye, because the skin around the eye is even more delicate. And so we're just gonna do just a little bit of section. And so you might be thinking, well, how will this help my wrinkles if I can't get to the crow's feet or those lines right above my eyebrows? And so the answer is, as you release tension in other parts of the face, that will have a ripple effect in releasing tension closer to the eyes. Few other caveats. You're not going to want to leave your face cups stationary for any amount of time on your face. If you do happen to, and you have a little bruise or discoloration, that will fade, and just don't do any more work on that area. So for the face, I recommend going up, then going down, and then going up again. And so even though I'm going to be moving fluid towards the heart, I'm still stroking up. So for this next round, I'm going to move towards the heart for our lymphatic massage effects. However, I'm going to do so, I'm not going to, push down. I'm still going to be making these lines curve up. As you can already see, her forehead has deeply relaxed. You'll probably see some even better results in her neck going around this time. I'm using a little bit more suction this time around. One thing Joy was excited about experiencing was these cups reducing her congestion. Because as we, create flow in the skin, we're also affecting the sinuses. So this can also be a really great tool to reduce congestion. In addition to actually loosening up the body structures around our sinuses, we are encouraging and increasing the body's ability to get rid of stagnant lymph fluid, mucus, whatever, because we're basically helping the circulatory system and the lymph system do their jobs, which is to move things around and clean stuff up. what you're doing in general by using a powerful tool like these silicone massage cups is you are allowing your skin to do what it does better and more efficiently. And what your skin is designed to do is to repair itself. Your skin is constantly shedding old skin cells and making new ones. So anything you can do to increase circulation, to increase the diffusion and receptivity of nutrients is going to help the skin do things like repair itself and increase its collagen production. Your skin is supposed to be healthy and supple and radiant. And you are giving your skin what it needs in order to be those things, and in order to do those things that make it gorgeous and vibrant. Okay. I wouldn't do a hold like this for much longer, but it seems to be kind of opening up this little sticky spot right here. So it's really good to note that less is more when it comes to powerful tools. You don't want to do any more than 10 minutes 4 times a week to start out with. If you do much more than that, you run the risk of bruising. And once our skin starts bruising, we are no longer giving ourselves positive benefit. Once you've achieved the results you want, you can go down to a maintenance protocol of once or twice a week. Although since it feels so amazing, you might want to keep on doing it every day. If you walk away from this video with anything, just know that your skin is incredibly powerful, and that you, by default, have the power to give yourself better skin. You know, everyone has their own individual health concerns and factors that go into what their skin looks like. But if you increase your circulation and exfoliate and give yourself a good lymph flush, your skin will look different. And that's something that anyone can do. Thank you so much to Lure Home Spa for sending us these amazing massage tools. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to showing you more wonderful techniques and tricks for giving yourself healthy, fantastic skin at home. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.